Hello, Team 6-1 Social Studies students. This is Mr. Bush, and this is a screencast with information from Tuesday, February 9th, and for Wednesday, February 10th. First of all, I'd like to apologize for having to cancel our live Google Meets today, which is Tuesday the 9th. I have a couple personal matters that I need to attend to. I had to take the day off. However, I will be checking my email periodically throughout the day to answer any questions that you might have as you're working. So there are no live Google Meets today. I know some of you have some questions about moving towards hybrid learning, which begins next week, a week from today, on Tuesday, the 16th of February. We will talk all about that on Thursday. We will also be reviewing this very large activity, which you will have the next couple days to work on, the Emperor Qin questions, the hero or villain questions. So prepare yourself to meet on Thursday. Thursday's meet might be a little bit longer than normal just because we did not meet on today, Tuesday the 9th. So as students go into this week's folder, the yellow folder again, they will click on the blue folder. And in there is the Emperor Qin hero or villain questions. When they open it, students will see a document that looks like this. So this document is chunked up into a bunch of different sources with questions. So some of them are text boxes, some of them asking you to highlight examples. So you're just going to kind of go through from top to bottom, answering the questions as they go along. So this first question talks about sources A, B, and C. Do you trust this source? Will it be accurate? So you just type the answer right in the text box. For each source, there's a short reading with the sourcing information, and again, you will just answer the questions. So there's sources A the whole way through H. The last two, G and H. G is more of a picture from Wikipedia of an irrigation project, and H is a painting from the 18th century, talking a little bit more about Emperor Qin. But what you're going to do for now is just answer the questions that they're asking you to do in the document. Follow the directions very carefully, and you will have the next couple of days to work on this. So some of these documents are going to make Emperor Qin sound like a villain, a very bad leader. It's going to talk about things that make him look very selfish as a leader, things that make him look very ruthless as a leader, and then there are going to be some documents that make him sound pretty good as a leader, almost like a hero, that he did things, went above and beyond to help the people of China and the people that followed even after he died. So after you complete this document, it will set you up with some evidence that makes him sound like a hero and evidence that makes him sound like a villain. And by the end of the week, the third assignment for this week, the quick check, is you making the decision now of whether you think he was a hero or a villain and telling me why. And then what we will do next week is we will take your opinion about Qin and you will be turning that into a project where you'll be describing him using some evidence from these text boxes and some of these sources. And you will also be making a short poster on him, either making him out to be a hero or a villain. So that's really where we're going for the next couple of days. Like I said, you will have today, which is Tuesday. You will have tomorrow, which is Wednesday. We will finish this up on Thursday in class, and then we will talk about the quick check for this week, in addition to a bunch of other stuff. So I'm really excited for our class on Thursday, the 11th. Please make sure that you are on time for class because, like I said, we have a bunch of things that we need to talk about, and we want to make sure that we're utilizing our time to the best of our abilities. So if you have any questions as you're working on this, please let me know on Wednesday. I'll be checking my email, and I'll talk to everybody soon. See you, everybody.